What are those, Peach?
Fireworks.
Fireworks?
Hi. Hello. I love you. Cute little nugget boy. Cute little nugget boy. Oh, hiccups. His little eyebrows, you guys. I can't stand them. They're so cute. I feel like he's like a little cartoon with those little stick eyebrows. Sorry, I'm just talking about his cartoon stick eyebrows. They're so cute.
At least he has eyebrows. I didn't have eyebrows until maybe 8th grade. I remember specifically in 6th and 7th grade getting made fun of by some kids. Because like I had no eyebrows.
PJ doesn't really have eyebrows. PJ's eyebrows are very blonde. PJ's eyebrows, very blonde. But they're there. They're just really blonde.
I had the same as me.
Yeah, they were blonde.
I had eyebrows. They were just blonde.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I look like a hot mess today. A little bit of a grease ball, but whatever. We're kind of just enjoying summer. Hanging out, getting acquainted with our new little babe. How's everyone doing? How's everyone enjoying summer? Hair. That's how she said. PJ has her own unique language. It's very cute and very funny. Where are your purple ones? Remember I told you to bring them in the car. She's starting a new fashion trend. We just spoke. Hi. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Good morning and happy 4th of July, everybody. Me and PJ are about to sit down and do a craft. I saw this actually, I stole this craft from a friend on Instagram because I saw her do it with her kids this morning. I was like, great idea, and it's free. So, this is what we are doing. PJ is going to make fireworks. She's gonna dip this in the paint and make fireworks on her paper. Huh? Yeah. And also, guys, my skills are improving in the hair department. Cute, right? Little firework baby hair. Also, it's really hard to do her hair because she's got such a crazy part. So one side's always like way smaller than this side, but oh well. Okay, I gotta get you some paint. Get all of it coated. Okay. Now put it on your paper. Okay. Well, that's one way to do it. I was kind of thinking we'd do it like this, you know? Hold on, let me show you, let me show you. See this paper, watch. Go like this. Let's stamp it down and you go, pew, pew, fireworks. You want me to get you another piece of paper? Yeah. Okay. So yes, that's what we're doing this morning. Thought about taking the kids swimming this morning, but realized we're gonna go to Monica and Elliot's parents this evening, so we'll probably swim there. And it's probably really crowded today because everyone wants to swim on the 4th of July. Good job! Fireworks!
No.
Fireworks! Okay, put it over on this. Now do one over here. Good job! I'm gonna have to get her some more paper because she's gonna want to do this forever. So yeah, I just cut a toilet paper roll into like little, you can see. I cut the toilet paper roll and then got some paint. A little stamp. She might be a little too young for this, but we'll see how it goes. All the kids are patriotic today. Liz is in his little blue and white onesie. Sweet little nugget baby. Our room kind of gets pretty warm in our room for some reason because everyone congregates to our bedroom, and so it's just so hot in there. So he was like sweating up there, so he's much happier down here where it's a little cooler. Good job! You wanna do another one?
Yeah.
Okay. And PJ's in her little 4th of July shirt that luckily I found. Well, no, I didn't find. It was in her drawer. I just got lucky. We were so grateful. I had so many friends give PJ hand-me-downs this summer. So she's had so many new things to wear. It's awesome. Looks so good. Pew! Pew! Good job.
No.
Are we gonna see fireworks tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah, possibly. On today's agenda, Monica and Elliot are actually heading over here pretty soon. I'm not sure when, around 11. And then this afternoon, we're gonna head over to his parents' house, swim and barbecue. Okay, I've learned something with this craft. that there's only so many times you can use the same paper towel roll before it gets like soggy. Yeah. I should have saved. I literally just went through a roll of paper towels and threw away the roll. And just barely found one toilet paper roll. All done? Y'all done? Looks so good. Okay, let's let them dry. Beautiful fireworks. I love them.
Hi.
Hi. Are they loud? They go boom. Happy 4th of July.
I'm trying to go across the pool in one kick. It's impossible.
What?
Want to see Noah surf?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Look at his hair. It should be like that all the time.
Slick back.
Ready?
Whoa. Put your feet straight. Put your foot straight.
Hold on, we got it. We did it.
Hello. Are you jumping in? Happy 4th of July. It's a beautiful night for a little swim. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Ari, you're so cute, Ari. Hi. Hi. Look, can you see yourself? Look how cute you are. Hi.
She goes, I'm just a little vain. I don't like to see myself.
Ouch. I feel like I get bit by ants on my toes.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Say happy 4th of July! Woohoo! Can you touch my guy?
No, you tell
PJ's turn?
Ready?
Yes, I can.
Okay, hold on. Ready?
Stand. Happy 4th of July! Woohoo!
I'm gonna let go of you. Ready?
PJ, say happy 4th of July!
That's up to mom. Look him up.
Ari's in a bucket boat. Whoa.
Thumbs up, Noah.
Woohoo! Whose turn?
Mom, you how about?
Me? Yeah, right.
Going again?
Ari in the bucket is killing me.
I was like, she's Moses.
That's what I was literally just thinking. She's a little baby Moses.
I know, Julian had her in it.
Happy 4th of July.
Stand up. I'm gonna let go of you. You gotta stand up.
Stand.
Stand.
Woohoo! Oh gosh. Happy 4th of July. We decided to head over to Elliot's parents' house for a little barbecue, which I didn't record. Whoops! Oh my gosh! Ari's river rafting. Ari's river rafting on the fountain.
Jennika, say, are you okay?
Did Monica just get in the face?
You might leave her a hug.
Uh-oh. Anyway, we decided to head over here, swim, hang out. We got sparklers at Walmart, doing some Fortnite dances on boogie boards.
Watch out, PJ.
Watch out, Beach! Woo! Do I want to come in and swim? Yeah. No, don't get me. I gotta take my shorts off.
She wants to swim with you.
Uh-oh. 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 Shark over here. Okay, okay. I'll come in. I'll come in. I haven't gone swimming yet because I was with baby Ez, feeding and putting him to sleep. And now we swim.
Dolphin ride. All three.
Ready? Ready?
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, your hair smells so good.
Hold on, it's too easy.
I love this face.
Ready? Camera.
Ready?
Go.
Go.
My butt's doing all over.
My butt's going in the air. No, you're drowning me.
Here we go. Come on, babe.
Ready?
fight here. Hold on.
Oh gosh.
Get over here.
No chicken fight.
You got Noah. Come here.
Let's go.
I don't want to go underwater.
I know.
Noah, I can't see. You're way too big a fish. No. Run away, Noah. Run away. Retreat.
This is what grown men do when everyone's out of the pool. They make waves like they're in the ocean. You guys are just such dorks. Who wants to light me up? You wanna light this up, PJ? Watch. Is there a lighter out here? Come do a sparkler.
Oh, you guys got long sparklers. Oh, I hear the fireworks.
Start spreading the news.
Beautiful. You cannot buy faces, okay, buddy? Say happy 4th of July! Woohoo! Woo! Poppers! Kaka has poppers!
Closer it gets, it's starting to get on my alarm.
Woo! Ah! You guys are so weird. These two when they're together. Oh gosh, you're gonna nail yourself. Wow! So pretty! So pretty!
Did you like it, PJ? Yeah.
Yeah, she's a little nervous. She doesn't know how to feel about the fireworks this year.
Let's see if I can write my name. I have to do it backwards.
Oh, this is a change.
You look like you're on the Disney Channel right now.
I know.
Ding, ding. Do the Mickey
Have you ever
ears.
seen that, like, the video where they're doing it and it's like a green screen?
Oh yeah. Wait, do the Mickey Mouse ears. You know what I'm talking about? And you're watching Disney Channel. Do, do, do.
I don't think about it as hard as you're thinking.
Like, how do I do it so it looks on your side?
What are they called?
Okay, you need to go.
What are those, Peach?
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
I've got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your heart, love, and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you.
PJ. Fireworks.